Hello everyone, myself Pronotosh Chattoraj. I had to admit my father Mr Shibatosh Chatterjee to Apollo Gleneagles on 11th of July as he was having refractory seizures and the doctors communicated it was very critical. Just to give a brief about my father's health condition, he has chronic kidney disorder and is on dialysis since the past couple of months.
Mr. Shibatosh Chatterjee was admitted with a nephrologist at the critical care unit, and there I was called to see his neurological status, and I found that he was completely unconscious. And in the course of time, we found out that he's having status epilepticus. We had started the treatment for status epilepticus, but in spite of 5 antiepileptic drugs, he continued to be unconscious. And we normally term this as refractory status epilepticus. But we didn't lose hope and continued to treat him with the permutation and combinations of the doses of the antiepileptic drugs and different antiepileptic drugs. He remained unconscious for around 7 to 8 days, but ultimately we could win over the battle and we didn't lose hope. And he was completely normal after around 10 to 15 days of lying in bed unconscious. It was a very difficult time both for the patient's son and the team, including myself from the neurology side, the critical care team, which was being seen by Dr. Loni, and of course the primary consultant, Dr. Manish. Today the patient is absolutely fine. He is talking normally, walking normally, and one of those cases which I'll remember throughout my life because it was a really tough disease and battle to fight, and we really thank the Almighty for such outcome of the patient, and we hope to treat more patients because there are many patients of epilepsy, of new onset seizure disorder who convert into refractory status epilepticus, and most of the times we lose hope and they are given up and from the other hospitals, and we brought ultimately to Apollo Hospital as a last ray of hope.
When I had visited the ICU, I saw my dad opening his eyes and he was trying to mumble words. It seemed as if he could recognize me, and trust me, it was one of the best feelings because Aditya Choudhary is such a wonderful doctor. His humility, kindness, and strength is one of a kind. To me, honestly, he is a special gift from God and he is nothing less than a true magician. No matter how much I say it, I would always be short of words to express my gratitude that I feel for his dedication and skillfulness. He is very kind and approachable, and he had even taken time from out of his busy schedule to explain me in details about the criticality of my dad's health. Whenever I approached him, he was very kind to listen to my concerns, and he did share his valuable feedback. I would highly recommend anyone to consult him.